Hello everybody, today we are going to see Erba Mannheim's LIQUIXX Phosphorous kit. You can see it here. So the catalog number for this kit is 120229. You can see it here. This particular pack contains 2 into 50 ml of pack size. You can find it here. It is used to find the phosphorus using ammonium molybdenate method as the endpoint. This kit is C certified. It needs to be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. You can find it has a standard expiry of 2 years here. So about this kit contains a phosphorus reagent of 2 into 50 ml volume and phosphorus standards of concentration 5 mg per TL of 1 into 5 ml volume. Over here you can find it here. So this is the side view of the kit and this is the front view of the kit. So this kit is compatible with all Erba analyzers. And to summarize things up, so this is the Erba Mannheim's LIQUIXX Phosphorous kit. This particular kit has a pack size of 2 into 50 ml volume. The catalog number for it is 120229. This kit uses ammonium molybdenate method to find the endpoint, and the kit contains a phosphorus reagent of 2 into 50 ml volume, the phosphorus standard of concentration 5 mg per TL, 1 into 5 ml volume. It has a standard expiry of 2 years. It is C certified. It needs to be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. So this is about the LIQUIXX Phosphorus kit of Erba Mannheim. Thank you.